Hello friends, now we are going to see what are the types of research methodologies. There are basically four types of research methodologies: historical method, descriptive method, experimental method, and future research. Descriptive method of research can be conducted in various types. As we can see in the mind map, it can be conducted through survey technique, it can be conducted through case study, and through observation. Now let's go to the detail of each one of them. What is historical method? Historical method refers to the use of primary historical data to answer a question, because the nature of the data depends on the question being asked. Data may include demographic records such as birth and death certificates, newspaper articles, letters and diaries, government records, or even architectural drawings. Descriptive research, on the other hand, can be either quantitative or qualitative. It involves collection of quantitative information that can be tabulated along a continuum in numerical form, such as scores on a test or the number of items a person chooses to use a certain feature of a multimedia program. Glass and Hopkins in 1984 defined descriptive research as a method which involves gathering data that describe events and then organizes, tabulates, depicts, and describes the data collection. Experimental research is another type of research methodology which is basically a scientific approach to research, wherein one or more independent variables are manipulated and applied to one or more dependent variables to measure their effect on the latter. The experimental research method is widely used in physical and social sciences, psychology, and education. It is based on the comparison between two or more groups with a straightforward logic. Mostly related to a laboratory test procedure, experimental research designs involve collecting quantitative data and performing statistical analysis on them during research. Therefore, experimental research is an example of quantitative research method. Another type of research methodology is the future research, which can be defined as a systematic study of possible future events and circumstances. Future research is different from forecasting in a way that the former has a forward orientation and looks ahead rather than backwards, and is not as mathematical as forecasting. There are several disadvantages of future research, like they are very straightforward. No event or situation can be forecasted in an accurate and complete manner. Nevertheless, future studies may offer a substantial advantage. Specifically, although future studies are not able to produce totally accurate and complete information about the future, some researched information about the future is better than no information at all when engaging in decision making for long-term perspective. Thank you for watching the video.